Hey guys, today we are visiting another thrift store in the Netherlands. Thrifting is pretty common amongst the Dutch people. The parking is limited, but still plenty. There is no parking on the road outside, so you have to park here. Most people come by bikes. This store is open 7 days a week. This is the entrance. Right inside the entrance, there are a lot of real plants. Both all-season plants and seasonal flowering plants are available. This is the ground floor. It has a lot of crockery, books, and bicycles. Near the entrance, there are a couple of items in the glass cabinets. A big shelf of random items. A table full of magazines, mostly National Geographic editions. Multiple shelves of books of all genres. Multiple shelves with crockery and glassware. A music and film section with VHS, CDs, and DVDs. A lot of paintings, maps, and photo frames. Toys, and lots of toys. Puzzles and board games. Bicycles. This is the first floor. It contains electronics, toys, and clothes. Small electronics like remotes and cables. A decent selection of hi-fi equipment, VCRs, DVD players, tuners, and receivers. Monitors of all sizes on the top shelf, while a lot of random small items and gadgets on the bottom shelves. Home appliances. Mostly washing machines. Shoes. Stuffed and plush toys. Baby clothing. Baby strollers. Clothes. Cushions and blankets. This is the second floor, dedicated to furniture and lighting. Small furniture, like tables and chairs, including outdoor furniture. Beds. Chairs for infants and toddlers. Hall of mirrors. Dining tables and chairs. TV cabinets. A graveyard of dining chairs. Couches. This section has multiple shelves of lamps and lighting fixtures. Chandeliers. A lot of office furniture. There is a cafe at the ground floor. They have a decent selection of snacks and a coffee bar. I tried the chocolate cake and apple pie. They were both really good. I found some interesting items. It's time to say goodbye.